Hello my friends, in this review we will talk about a knife from Firebird by GANZO, FH91 with D2 here, 20 centimeters, 20.3 centimeters at least, a little too much, 190 grams. Here we have 88 millimeters, and we will here we have G10, nice looking backspacer, removable clip, can put it here, liner lock, just see it. And also we have holes inside. Do you see them? Only on this liner, not on this. So at first I should say that it's not high cost model, but with good steel and with good form for hard working, not only EDC, not only food. But let's see it, then we will compare with different other knives. Then I will show you some cool things about my customized Victorinox Tourist, but only in the end of this review. Now let's see how it works with different materials, and I will comment all it. So at first just see how it look in form, how it working on outspace, and then let's go into some tests. You see it's safety lock. So first test very simple. We start it work on food, pumpkins. It's a little too much, more than 3 millimeters, but it can be work for foods. So let's do something next. Like with tomato. You can cut for different parts, big or fit, or not fit, as you need. Next one would be apple. For one cutting without any problems. For second cutting, and for next one would be some more difficult. It is meat with bones. Let's see, it's meat. And just see that white parts, it's bones. Absolutely no problem. But you should take care with your knife after washing. You should make it dry and clear. Next one, carton. It's part of a box of Garden. We have a hot summer, a lot of Garden. Maybe not absolutely perfect, but no problem, it can do it. Next test would be harder and harder. We will check it together. let's do. So here is rope in Scotch, 3 parts rope, and we will cut and cut it till cut and also check which part of knife are more useful for this test, and also check line of cutting, check together how it is clear. I will show you. The same, not perfect but not bad. And next one is working for wood. Just check parts of wood which I got from this. Just check it, really big. Next one, just test, just see what are inside. Just see these walls, and then we will continue our review and compare with other knives. So about compare and sizes. First one we have our hero, second one we have original back, classical model. Next one what we will in our compare, it's adamantine skimmer knife in premium material, titan here and premium steel here. And next one, my summer edition knife, Delica, Spiderka Delica. And one more, Victorinox Twist. So you see in this compare, our knife one of most powerful, most bigger knife, but it's one of cheapest in this case. So I recommend it for, let's say, using with sometimes hard using. If you are not only in city use and not only in something soft material, sometimes you need work for carton, for maybe for wood, it can do it, and at least you will not afraid to broke it or lost it. Only one D2, it's not absolutely stainless steel. You should take care about it, take care from water, and all would be fine. In any case, if you will have some pitting, it can be not hard to delete it. So about it, that's all. In description would be link where you can buy it, and would be link for my full text review. Also, as I said, in the end of video would be something interesting. Would be about this my customized Victorinox Twist. I don't like this toothpick tool inside it, and what I have now, those device. This one for bigger bigger things, and I will show you. Here we have classical SD. I also changed it 45 millimeters here and 50 the same are here, luminophore 50 here, and also I added here two pieces of it for fire starter. I will test it, I will show you it clear, but only in next review. If you are interested right now, in description also would be links where you can find it. I'm in the cadre. I use my flashlight for better working during sunny day. You see how it works. Review of it would be, I think, maybe in a week. If you want to know more about it, in description also would be link for both these slots. I think it's really cool tools. I will test it and will show you a little more. That's all. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.